What's up, everybody? It's Gamer XD, and this is a Clash Royale video. Here I'm just going to be showing you guys a replay. This was a level 4 guy, but it's still pretty good for level 4. As you can see, I started off with a balloon. He's gone for a giant, and then he went for his P.E.K.K.A. I was trying to place down my P.E.K.K.A, and then I finally got it down. And then I got down that tower. And then it was just my P.E.K.K.A still. So then I went for the prince on the other side to get some damage to the crown tower. Got some good damage on that crown tower. A lot of good damage. Then I put down my dragon. I think he did a bad move there with the skeleton on him. But my dragon did die. Then I placed a minion horde down there, and they went in for the victory. And that was one of the replays. I'm going to show you one more replay. So this one I was against a level 3 for some reason. And I was using, well, this was actually a clan battle against somebody in my clan house using a defense, no chiefs. I started off with the Expo Bomb Tower Cannon. Then the Bob Hill person, let's call it Bob, placed down the prince, got the Tesla down, and then, yeah. Whoever this person is, Bob, I guess, put down the Musketeer, took out my Tesla, but then the Expo just wrecked the Musketeer. I took a lightning spell to the tower, and I did end up winning this one. The only reason I did win this one because I kept throwing stuff at that one tower. I took out a firewall, threw it out that tower, and did as much damage down on it as I could. Then I placed the cannon down the second with that prince, which sealed with that. And then Bob put down a giant. But then I just went for the bomb tower. Because it's my favorite card. Well, one of my favorites is bomb tower. So I went for the Goblin's hut, but I just shot a rocket in between Buffalo. Did some nice damage. Did some nice damage and took out the put down that Tesla. Then there was a prince, Valkyrie, and but I had to do some damage to the tower. And then put down a pin. There comes in just a level 2 P.E.K.K.A. As you can see, I finally shot the rocket. I put it down. I took out that tower. And yeah, so I took out that tower. The giant almost got a piece there. Then I went for the Expo, which walked onto that tower. Put a cannon for the prince. Then there's a bomb tower in there. I put that down. I took out my bomb tower. And then I shot a rocket. And to finish it off, I think I lightning bit. Or fireball and lightning. The fireball, the Valkyrie is in, but then I just went for the lightning. And that's all, guys. That is going to wrap up today's episode. Hope you enjoyed. And leave a like.